Membranes are a physical barrier. We use them here at the Bendigo Water Treatment Plant to prevent solids and pathogens and so on passing through them. So we have a multi-barrier stage process. So we're switching out the old ones, replacing them with new ones so that we can continue to filter and treat the water here in Bendigo. We're recycling our used membranes through the SkyJuice program. So SkyJuice is an external company who collect the used membranes and are able to reuse them in developing nations. So our membranes still have a fair bit of life left in them. We're replacing them proactively so that we don't need to worry about replacement further down the line in our summer busy period. So we're hoping that our membranes can get reused overseas in developing countries and will help give access to clean, filtered, potable drinking water to others who might not otherwise have access to it.